So I found this new record company the other day.
Oh.
WPI Records.
Mm-hmm.
You know what WPI stands for, don't you?
No.
When butter snaps appear, peaches no longer interest me. I'm a big fan of peaches myself.
Pull up your socks and
what you doing now?
Hey, you! Buckle your pants! Yes, you!
Let's go! Hey! Let's get these! Let's get them! Yes! Hey! 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 What are you guys doing? Huh?
You got any cash, Charlie?
Yeah! Yeah, huh? Huh? Yeah!
Hey, this guy's giving me a really weird look.
Oh!
This guy.
Holy
over here.
crap! Oh!
He's giving me a really
That
weird
really rides my wheels, man! Whoa! What are y'all doing here, huh? Huh? We came rolling in here, we saw you! We're gonna get y'all, huh? Yeah, how you like them apples? Yeah!
I can dig it. This guy over here.
Man.
This stink eye. Oh!
Yeah!
I don't like him. I don't like this guy.
I don't know, that's sketchy.
I don't like it.
That's sketchy meat. That's sketchy.
I don't like it.
That's sketchy.
I don't like it.
Man,
These guys.
that is not right meat.
They're sketchy meat.
That ain't medium rare. That's rare.
Right. They're probably out for like a nickel. That's
Yeah.
a crappy butcher shop in
It's
China.
a nickel. It's probably got maggots coming out of it.
Oh.
I hate this. I want to crap. What's that middle? He's got the worst maggots.
Don't you move, boy. Hey, I'm gonna shoot you. What are you doing? You stop that. You're really pulling my triggers, man. What the crap? Stop.
So, WPI.